Modules and video series, how to make educational materials with Google Drive. The learning objectives are: participants will be able to name and recall the functions on Google Drive as a tool for creating visual educational material. Participants will be able to write questions compatible with Google Drive. Participants will be able to create visual educational materials on Google Drive. Participants will be able to design quizzes and surveys about Google Drive. Participants will be able to analyze the results of the surveys and quizzes about Google Drive. On the other hand, the general functions of Google Drive. Google Drive is the place where you can store and access all your files, while docs, sheets, and slides are types of web editors, just like forms and drawings. Drive provides secure, encrypted access to your files. Files shared with you are proactively scanned and removed when malware, spam, ransomware, or phishing is detected. Plus, Drive is cloud native, eliminating the need for local files and minimizing risks to your devices. Google Drive lets you store your files and access them from anywhere, on the web, on your hard drive, on your phone, or wherever you are. For your registration on Google Drive, there are 4 steps. Step 1, go to support.google.com/drive. Step 2, click on the icon that says Sign Up. Step 3, then you can choose to sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or to sign up with your email. Step 4, if you choose to sign up with your email, fill in the requested information and click on Create Account. Function 1. Every Google account will have their Google Drive and will receive 15 GB of space on their drive at no additional cost. For it, step 1, go to drive.google.com. On a computer, go to drive.google.com and you will see My Drive folder, which contains files and folders that you upload or sync, the Google Docs, sheets, presentations, and forms you create. Learn more about backing up and syncing files from your Mac or PC. Step 2. Upload or create files. You can upload files from your computer or mobile. Also create them in Google Drive. Besides, you can upload files and folders to Google Drive and work with Office files. Also create and edit Google documents, spreadsheets, and presentations and format them. Step 3. Share and organize files. You can share folders or files so that other people can view, comment on, or edit them. Function 2. If you recently deleted something from Google Drive or Google Drive app for computers, you might be able to get it back. Restore a file from the trash. Right-click on the file you want to recover. You will find the restored files in their original location. If the original location no longer exists, look under My Drive. Your storage space is shared between Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If your account reaches the storage limit, you cannot send or receive mail. Function 3. On a computer, go to drive.google.com. In the top left, click New, then File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the file or folder you want to upload. Drag files to Google Drive. On a computer, go to drive.google.com. Open a folder or create it. To upload files and folders, drag them to the Google Drive folder. If you're using a computer, you can upload files to private or share folders from drive.google.com or from your computer. Function 4. Storage differences in Google Drive. Google Drive, Google Photos, Gmail. Function 5. Free up storage space. Delete files by size in Google Drive. Permanently delete large emails in Gmail. Permanently delete emails from the spam folder. Move photos and videos to the trash. Delete and recover files with Google One Storage Manager. Remove hidden data from Google Drive apps. Function 6. Google Drive works with screen readers, so you can store, edit, and share your files. Chromebox, NVDA, JAWS, VoiceOver. Function 7. Organize your files in Google Drive. To organize your files in Drive, you can create folders to make your files easier to find and share with others. Create, move, and copy files. Create a folder. On your computer, go to drive.google.com. On the left, click New Folder and then enter a name for the folder. Click Create. This is available on multiple devices: computer, Android, iPhone, and iPad. Limitations. Initially, your Google account includes 15 GB of cloud storage space, which is shared between Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. You can buy more space on Google Drive or upgrade to Google One for additional benefits. €2.99 per month or €24.99 per year, you can access 200 GB of space, not bad for backing up medium-sized files. If you want something more extensive, for €9.99 per month or €100 per year, you can get 2 TB of cloud storage. Tips and tricks. Create a shared Google Drive folder by groups in the class. In each folder, the students will share, upload, and edit the documents. This will create a shared cloud for the whole class. You can find the resources at the end of this presentation.